Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the 80s retro text effect Photoshop templates, and before we get started let's see what this bundle contains. So this bundle contains 10 retro text effects which comes in PSD templates which you can easily edit and change the text to anything that you want and save it and export it out. So this is the first effect, the second one, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and the last one. So the final download package will contain 10 PSD files with its associated JPEG files as a demo and a guide PDF how to use this one. So I'll just open one of these PSDs and show you how it looks. So this is the overall structure of every PSD. We have the main background, the main text, and the additional text. The main text is marked in blue, the layer which you need to edit, and the secondary text is marked in violet. And we have some overall retro noise and dust and dirt textures. So to edit this main text, it comes as a smart object, so you just need to double click on it and the smart object edit window will open, and you will see that it's there in white. So here's a small info. You just need to hide it. Just you can turn it on to see what's the info. The main point is your text must be in white, otherwise the effects will not work properly. So whatever you type in, your text should be in color white. So let's select this text layer. I'll take my horizontal type tool and I'll change this to anything. Let be example. You can change it to any font you want. So I'm keeping it American Captain over here. I'll hit this check mark and I'll save it and I'll close it, and I'll see that it's automatically updated in my main file. So it's that simple. So this is how you can simply change the text. And for the secondary text, it's just a text layer. You just select it with your horizontal type tool selected, just click on it and change it to anything you want. So it's that simple. And for the different effects, the layer styles, you can also customize them. So for the main text, it's there inside this main text group. You can expand this layer effects, and here you can tweak them as you want. So as you can see, you can change them and turn this effect to your own liking. So it's that simple. And for this secondary text, you can also expand this effects layer and do the same. So now you can save it out and use it in any project that you're working with. So this is how you can simply use this 80s retro text effects. And be sure to also check out my 80s retro poster Photoshop action. With this one, you can quickly turn your images into beautiful 80s poster style. So this one also has different various elements, like this retro elements for this city skyline, this mountain, this palm tree, the bright neon retro sun, and many different elements. And you can combine this new 80s retro text effect with this 80s retro poster effect and create awesome content in very short amount of time. You can find all these download links in the descriptions down below. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome content, and till then, stay creative.